Yo, I know him. I know him. What's going on, guys? It is MC Leo here, or Leo Galena, and today we are going on a ride with my friends Rex and Josh, and we are going to be doing some wheelies in DEARBORN Heights, around this area. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
We probably at the crib.
Damn. Okay. Okay. Hey.
Thanks, Mom. I don't like.
I need to lean back more.
My brakes, bro.
Oh, yo, I'm hosting a ride. Oh, yeah, you know about the ride out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta come. Nice. How do people grab like that? That's so uncomfortable. Alright, boys, we're with Rex, riding. Ooh, today's such a nice day. Ride outs tomorrow. Please come out, guys, please. I'm begging you. Come with any bike. Dearborn Peace Park at 3 o'clock. Probably leave at 4 after everybody meets up. So, hope you guys come along. Yeah. Just all right.
Car's gonna stop me.
I just wanted to say, guys, that for wheeling and all this type of videos and stuff, it's done professionally, and I'm not saying go do this. I'm not saying that it's actually a good idea, because it's not. From the garbage can off the parking garage to swerving traffic. It's not the best thing to do, but it's what I gotta do for the content, you know? I mean, I've never gotten hurt, knock on wood. And I hope you guys enjoying the videos, and I'll see you guys at that ride out tomorrow, 7/24/26. Nah.
It's like, they're not gonna hit me. They're not even gonna hit me, bro. What the fuck?
Come on, okay, yeah, they're not gonna hit us if they don't leave. Granny's looking at us.
Why do you care so much about me? You're not my mom.
No, you don't gotta pay the insurance.
I'm saying, you don't have to go stay in the hospital with me.
It's not even a hit and run. Oh shit. Oh, what kind of bike is that?
Huh?
What kind of bike is that?
It's Elite, bro. It's Elite BMX. I'm waiting till I get my Mafia.
Which one?
I'm getting an OW.
Ooh, yeah, this is the FTG.
Yeah.
You like it?
Is your brakes good?
Shimano's.
Yeah, they're tough. I think Dallas might want to ride.
Really? Bet.
Bro, I don't know why these people care so much about wheelies. What the fuck does it got doing with you, bro?
That's why he's getting the traffic, Dallas. So traffic, OW. Hey, I think he might be getting a W too, Josh.
Yeah, I think he is, and then do CJ.
I was gonna get the W, but I'm not spending an extra fucking 200 or 300. Bro, they're trying to hog, okay? Hey. Yo.
Yo.
Pop that up. Yo. Pop it up. Can you pop it up? Pop it up. Try to.
ass fries.
Bro, it's a bag of fries.
I think that's great control.
Oh, dude's not even trying.
Yeah, I think this one.
Bro's really gonna do it. Come on, Rex. Oh shit. Is that the same lady?
Trying not to be a fucking clown.
Oh, it's the same lady. It's the same lady. It's the same lady. Yo. It's the same lady. She said try not to be a fucking clown. You really swerved the same lady, bro. Come on.
I'm a dumbass. I don't know whoever idea was it to give me a wheelie bike.
Bro.
Or you can ask Josh, bro. We'd be at Vanport. In Vanport, in fucking middle of the road. Car be coming at me at 20, bro. I'll be riding at it like this.
Oh shit.
What the fuck? I'm not even. Bro,
I'm walking in.
Like, what? I'm not even hungry, bro.
Alright, watch what happens when I get in the bike lane. What the fuck is this rust bucket of a car? The front bumper's off. Jesus Christ, where'd you get that car? A fucking junkyard?
Happy hour too.
Actually, I'm broke though. I had 2 Slurpees today already too, so I'm good. I think she heard me.
That damn baby, she not doing shit.
Oh, baby.
Yo, is it happy hour, bro? You say happy hour.
I mean, it might be.
I'm not watching on the happy hour. Always happy hour. Pineapple freeze. Wherever the fuck that is.
It's exactly $1.
Yeah.
Sure. I mean, I used to have $1. I spent it though. You know him?
I don't know.
Straw.
Can I get a free water?
Done.
Yep.
Can I have a water?
Water cup.
Yeah. This? No, because sometimes there's this place that does this, and they have sparkling water, and that shit tastes like fucking ass.
Bro, I know what everybody do. They either put Sprite in it, or they put something in it, white.
You think they would care if I put some like root beer?
No, I'm bankrupt.
Fuck, man. Bro. Let me see bar spin.
Watch that.
Yeah. Oh shit. Before I go, I need to take the brakes off my bike.
What the fuck is that?
What?
Oh.
Oh shit. Crush that shit. Oh, you ripped its head in half.
You'll be alright. Bro, I sold it.
I like the sound of that.
3. Okay. Shadow.
Yeah, I love BMX. Yeah, I have the Gateway. Nice. Yo, bro. I know no one that rides BMX still. You want to ride? Want to make a video?
Yeah.
I have the thing on my chest. I'll be riding out. Trackhawk? Yo, I know him. I know him. Bro, he was in my news video. He was in my Carmi video. Bro was ripping that shit.
Put it too. No.
Oh, that car jolted. Yo, Rex.
I actually quit riding bike.
Bro, I hate this shit, bro.
I hate this shit, bro.
Alright, on to go get an Allen wrench, boys. Damn.
Real, these are better wheels. These are better. They're exclusive.
They're like $100.
Yo,
Yo, what's your name?
Your butt's ass. Hard.
MC Leo.
My friend for that one. What's your name?
Yo, what kind of bike is that?
Kind of look like Bryson.
How fast did that go?
That's a Red Star.
33.
That shit goes 33. That doesn't.
You do really?
Yeah, no. I have no brakes.
Why'd you have it brakes?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No.
Whoa.
You're
You're not
not
touching another man's brakes, dude. That's a touching another man's dick. I'm joking, bro. Alright. It's just so like, yeah. Here, I don't know.
And now, like right there, just use your brake control and just lean back.
Wheelie.
He's still in my color.
Do a wheelie, bro.
It's a piece of shit. I found that.
Pick it up, bro. The banana boat. They're so whack.
You lead, bro.
I guess, I don't know.
You wanna go straight?
Bro! Hey! Hey! Oh shit! Oh yeah, I see that all the time. Did that cop just say stay out of the street, please? I don't give a fuck, bitch.
Easy fit. Press 5. I can turn around too. Gosh. Hopefully my bikes don't fall. It'll be okay. Oh, what the hell? I remember me and Josh came down here when he had his crew and fucking get out.
No. Oh, you're a dumbass.
Oh,
You're a yeah, it's hot.
Now hold it. Reset it.
Alright.
God damn. We gotta flip up.
Oh, we are right here.
You know you can see Detroit from here, right?
Yo, I ain't got brakes. Draft me.
This is where we're meeting up right here.
For what?
The bike, the meetup. Peace Park.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, right here.
Bar. Oh, yeah.
And I'm gonna. Bet that's a new TikTok. What's up?
Yo!
What's good? Yo, can we have free water cups?
What's that?
It's called a GoPro. My bad. Here.
Call a GoPro, man.
Look, you see my bike? What's going on? Right, shall I ride with you guys? You got used to having that? You guys know how to do your things?
Really ever.
Never? How about you, Leo?
Yeah.
For real? I never did it. Oh, fuck. Damn, you're like a way bigger person.
My bike's ass.
None of your tires are like fucking spills. Wheels looks nice. Let me just sit on it. I'm trying to see how it looks.
Nah.
brakes are bad.
Hmm?
The brakes are...
Yeah, I'm the best at wheeling.
I'm the best at it.
All right.
Has you ever done a wheelie?
Not a
Let's go.
gotta tell him, I feel like.
I know, right? Yeah.
You guys got it too?
I'm walking here. Oh shit. Actually, no. Look go. I look like I'm fucking Gandalf.
Holy shit.
Putting my fucking spear down.
Ancient.
Dumbledore.
What the hell they be doing to have it like that?
Fucking, I don't know.
Dude, I'm the back of my wheels.
I don't know, but we got these two things set up right here. That's fucking fast.
No, he's not turning off his camera. He's not turning off his camera. No. For having a camera on?
Yeah, you can.
So why isn't it blocked off over there?
This is a private property, 1, 2.
It doesn't say it's private property.
No, it is.
Listen, I respect you. I like that you guys enjoy your time.
No, I'm loving my day.
Who?
I'm loving my day.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want to ruin it for you guys. I don't intend to. I respect. I used, go on.
Wait, so we're not allowed to wheelie through here?
This is a private property, right? It says all over the place. This is one. You can see it on the entrance. The second of all, this is deemed danger. You can't be in here by the city. Okay, so please.
How's the day?
Only sign I see is no parking fire lane.
Sir,
Oh my god! Look, you have a camera. So
Appreciate it. Yo. Like a glass water? Some water? Alright, appreciate it. This water's way better.
what's up, my boy?
You gonna buy this?
I got 900 last time.
You been here?
Yeah. Got 950. I don't got $2, bro. I'm gonna ask my mom for $2.
Oh yeah, cash out.
How much?
I got 30, 39.
Can you pay for me? Just pay for me.
Nah, lock the fuck in. If you miss, bro.
No, you're not gonna hit like that.
Oh yeah.
No, trust me.
Did I break the machine?
Trust me. People have gotten way more, or I mean, louder. I mean, louder, way louder. Well, if you got, if you won, I got this shit on camera. You get free AirPods.
On what?
You get the high score. Say if you record and send it to the QR code.
What's the highest score?
That's what I'm asking. That's why I asked. No one knows. No, that's like the max. But
Try
yeah.
to get.
Yeah. You gonna pay for me?
Yeah, I guess.
Bro, what? I'm not beating 999.
Do it.
What, bro?
There's no way.
That's fucked up, bro.
There's no way. That's
All right, after this, we'll go one of the bikes. Cause that's fucked up,
Bro,
bro.
how is that possible?
Damn, bro.
How is that
What?
possible?
You got less. You got less.